In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a compact futuristic bench. First of all, we have to make a basic shape to rotate the rectangle. We can set the height around 400 millimeter, and then we can set the length of this bench around 100 uh, 1500 millimeter. Okay, so we can select all this plane anyway. We can just push it up. We can just push it up around 450 millimeter. So, and then we can select the line also in this position. We can select the, we can draw the diagonal, semi-diagonal line from this position and to this position anyway. So then we have to push it to the back. Okay, okay, and then we can make it group. Then we can make the another support in this position with the iron plate anyway. We can use the line first. We can use the line first to make the another to make the basic plane anyway. So then we have to delete some unnecessary line first, and then we can make the sloping line here. Start from here, and we can place it to be here. So then we can delete some unnecessary plane and the line. And after that we can select it all, so then we have to offset it inside. We have to offset it inside around 10 millimeter approximately. Okay, it's just for example, as you see. So then we have to click it all this plane, so then we have to push it to the behind around until the list limit, and then we can just make it group anyway. So then we can set the metal material with maybe we can use this material, or maybe you can use this material. It's depend on your taste anyway and your needs about it. So and then we can set the another material of this top bench. We can use this for mega laminate light. Okay, and I will give you about the measurement of it, so you can follow the object anyway. Okay, you can follow the object with this dimension to make the proportional line over there, so you can improve it by your taste on or by your design anyway. Okay, I will give you about the dimension of it anyway. And okay, I think it's enough, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you about this tutorial, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Thank you.